UT Austin v.S Georgia Tech v.S Berkeley undergrad. Hi everyone, I hope this is not the 8th post like this you're seeing today, but I needed some advice. I got into UT Austin, Georgia Tech, and U.C Berkeley all for mechanical engineering. I'm in state UT Austin, and with all the scholarship I have received, I would be pay around 8K per year for UTV.S full price for both GT, 50K, and Berkeley, 70K. GT and Berkeley and super nice universities, but I'm trying to gauge what difference it could make in my career for how much more I would be paying. Any thoughts? Also, to add some info, I am aiming to work on an entrepreneurial side as well through college and work in start UPS during and after college if possible.
So trying to work in startups. Here's the thing. I'd say that let's look at rankings real quick. But I would say that UT Austin, now, first of all, engineering school rankings are not really that valuable. A second, I can't talk and type. Engineering College University rankings, USA. So I'd say that they don't mean that much. They really don't. But let's look at the US News rankings, anyways, and see what they say. The best engineering schools are MIT, Stanford, UC Berkeley, Carnegie Mellon, Purdue, University of Texas in Austin, Cockrell, number 6, California Institute of Technology, Georgia Institute of Technology, that's Georgia Tech. All right, so UT is ranked higher than Georgia Tech. So based on rankings and prestige and name alone, I would take that over. And then, okay, are you going to spend $70,000, $60,000 a year more for 4 years? 60,000 years, that's $240,000 in debt per year. No, per year, 4-year degree, $240,000 in debt for a little bit up in the rankings. No, no, you shouldn't do that. Calculate student loan repayment. So here's just a, oh no, I don't want to log in. No. So let's go to Bankrate. So your loan amount is 240,000. That means, and your repayment 4.5%, and you're going to pay it off in 20 years. That means you, over 20 years, will pay $1,500 a month extra. And in total, you will pay the average engineer in California's starting salary, not even more than the average engineer in California's starting salary in interest. No, don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Just pick UT Austin. It's a great school. It's a phenomenal school. I wish I had considered it more closely. I mean, again, worked out great for me. My career is phenomenal. I'm glad that I went where I went. I met my wife there. But man, I did not realize that UT Austin School was ranked that. I mean, maybe I did part somewhere in my head, but it's a great school. Go to UT Austin. It's a no-brainer. Let's see what the comments say. UT Austin, no-brainer. While Berkeley would be the best for startups, I highly encourage you to go to UT Austin. The debt from the other schools will be a serious drag on your ability to accumulate wealth in your 20s. And if you are good, anything you can achieve at Berkeley, you can achieve at UT Austin. I said, unless money is no object, UT Austin is the best choice. It is so much more affordable and a phenomenal program. I bet just about anything that you regret going anywhere besides UT Austin. And then here's what I say: after you get your first job again, companies don't care where you got your degree from. So, good advice, everybody, all around. Thank you guys for agreeing with me in the comments. Very good advice for this person. All right. Here's a question. Did you go and accumulate a lot of debt to go to undergrad for engineering? And did you find it worth it? In the comments, let me know. Let me know. All right.
Chasing payments, still playing in the basement while I'm working on arrangements. They heard the kid in 50 countries, thank God that's amazing. But I'd rather thank Spotify, they put me on the station.